check your Wakanow booking confirmation status. Step 1, check your email inbox and spam folder first. Now to check your email inbox, it is going to spoon outside the app. So to do that, you navigate backward to your phone dashboard and click on Gmail. So you select the email you use for registration. So after doing that, you search for inboxes for the confirmation email or invoice. So if you don't see it, you click on the three icon right here and search for spam. A wrong email address entered during booking or the message just landing in spam are the two most common reasons it doesn't show up. Step 2, make sure your payment reference was correct. When you make the payment, it should have included your booking confirmation number and the traveler's name as reference with the amount matching your invoice exactly. If you left any of that out or the amount didn't match, your booking status can be struck in limbo until it is manually checked. Step 3, reach out through official support channels. Contact customer support via email, phone. To contact them via phone, you click on the call section right here, enter your phone number and start a call. Give them your booking confirmation number, traveler's name, and payment details so they can trace your transaction properly. Step 4, wait for manual verification if needed. If your payment can be automatically matched to your booking, an agent verify it manually and then calls you to confirm your booking and move it toward ticket or hotel confirmation. Step 5, confirm you have received final confirmation. Once verified, you should get an email confirming your booking status for flight. This means your ticket confirmation for hotel. This means your reservation is fully confirmed rather than just provisional. If you paid via bank transfer, be ready to send your payment details by email if asked, since that's often needed to match transfer that don't carry proper booking references.